Welcome to the first inaugural Cine International Film Festival here in Piccadilly at the Karma Sanctum Hotel. The festival was set up by myself and my partner Kirsty Bell and Tamer Hassan, and of course with the hotel. When you look at the London landscape of film festivals, we felt that we needed to create something that brought the excitement. They've got some phenomenal festivals around the world, and in fact London, considering we're such a melting pot of culture, we're missing a festival like this.
Hello everyone, my name is Soledad Bautista and I am the producer for the Heart of Texas. It is a huge honor to be here in London for this film festival that is, I think it's the first time it's going to happen here, and I just love that the Heart of Texas is a part of it. And so being here with so many filmmakers from so many different places in this beautiful venue is just really, really, really exciting. So thank you for having me.
Hi, I'm Ema Heatley, and my short film Learners was just screened at CIF, which was really exciting. The atmosphere at the festival is really, really great. Really supportive audience and a really diverse, eclectic mix of films, which was great, and really nice to see how our film slotted into the rest of the lineup, and great to see some work by other filmmakers as well.
My name's Sadie Frost. I'm currently directing documentaries. I'm a filmmaker, and I'm here today at the Sanctum Hotel because I'm on the jury, and I'm also going to do a Q&A before a documentary that I directed called Quant. Independent film has always been really important to me because it's about freedom, expression, being able to just get on and do things, not relying on the studios, being able to have the freedom to raise your own finance, make creative choices, choose actors that you want to choose, not being kind of dictated to, and also kind of find scripts about stories that maybe a studio wouldn't make or tell those stories. So it's about freedom and expression.
Hi, I'm Tamer Hassan, one of the partners at the hotel, so Sanctum, and one of the founders of the CIF International Film Festival. Today is our first day. It's gone off to a huge start. We're very happy. It's a 4-day event. Make sure you come along and support the cause.
We're very proud to have supported and pushed through the film festival, which is trying to help the film industry. We entered into work with Monitor Audio with regard to trying to help the music industry, and then the film industry came along because we were one and the same. Hospitality, music, film all come together. It's pretty marvellous that we got all these young new people here that have got the ability to show their skill and their creative ability, and I'm pretty proud to be part of it.
We've got some phenomenal sponsors on board, including Monitor Audio, which have helped us pull this together. All of the funds of the festival are going to a filmmakers bursary, which is going to allow us to gift financial support to the filmmakers that we've chosen. That will be announced on the Saturday the 10th, the 4th day of the festival. And we're also raising a huge amount of money for Teenage Cancer Trust. So they're two causes that we feel really need the support. Thank you very much for your support, especially to Monitor Audio, and we'll hopefully see you next year as well.